Hi everybody, welcome back to My Mom's Recipe Box. We are continuing our fall, autumn, Thanksgiving, holiday recipes this time. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a really good roasted sweet potato dish with honey and cinnamon. So this is a really easy dish, you guys, because all the ingredients you need are right here. And it's just sweet potatoes, a little extra virgin olive oil, a little honey, and a little cinnamon, and then just some freshly ground black pepper, salt, and a little bit of cayenne. Use cayenne to your taste, okay? I should say I am a little bit of a spice weenie. I know the cameraman is like, you think? But there is a little bit of cayenne pepper here. If you like spicy, kick up the cayenne. The cayenne and the cinnamon are going to go really well together. And then when you mix it with the honey, you're going to get a nice sweet potato with a little bit of a kick at the end. Okay? So I'm going to get these sweet potatoes washed and peeled. Preheat your oven to about 375. Okay? And when we come back, we'll get these prepped and get them in the oven, okay? Come on back. Hi guys, welcome back. So I have the 4 sweet potatoes washed, peeled, and cubed, and they're in this bowl right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do an easy way. I'm gonna show you an easy way to get your potatoes ready for roasting. And what you wanna do is take a freezer bag, and this is a half-gallon freezer bag, I think. Not huge. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, it's a freezer bag, okay? And we're going to take our potatoes and we're going to put them in our freezer bag, okay? Just like so. Let's see if we can get these all in here. My cameraman thinks that we might have too many potatoes, and he might be right, but we'll see. I don't believe you can ever have too many potatoes, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, if you notice a few little brown spots on your potatoes, don't worry. Sweet potatoes oxidize very quickly, so there goes one for the dog. They oxidize quickly, so don't worry. Oh, we've got plenty of room, cameraman. Okay, so there's our sweet potatoes in the bag. And what we're going to do is inside this bag, we're going to add our olive oil. And you want to add about 1/4 cup or a pour, whichever you prefer. I prefer a pour. Okay, and then you want an equal amount of honey. So about 1/4 cup of honey. Okay. If you're using a measuring cup, you want to do a little bit more because you can never get all the honey out. Okay, so we're just going to squeeze our honey in here. And it's very thick, so that's about 1/4 cup, I would say. And then we're going to take our spice mixture. And in here I have a tablespoon of cinnamon, about a teaspoon of ground black pepper, about a teaspoon of salt, and a pinch, the tiniest little pinch of cayenne pepper. And we're just going to put all that in here, okay? Whoops, let's get it all in there. Okay. Cinnamon seems to want to stay in the dish. That's crazy. Cinnamon, you're going in. Okay, there we go. And now what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to close the bag. Make sure it's closed. Got a good seal on it. Okay, yeah. And then we're just going to give it a massage, okay? And we just want to work the honey and the olive oil and all the spices into the potatoes. This is a really easy way to do it, and you're not getting your hands dirty. You're not getting the counter dirty. It's very nice. Okay, so as you can see, we've got everything worked into the potatoes pretty well. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and if you notice, I have a couple little plain pieces here that I'm going to roast. Those are for the dog, okay? Dogs like sweet potatoes. It's good for them. If you have a puppy around the house, you might want to set aside a little piece of sweet potato for the puppy. Okay, so we open this up, and we're just going to pour this onto our sheet pan. And my sheet pan has a piece of parchment paper on it. just to kind of keep things clean, keep things from sticking. Okay, so see, you can see that the potatoes are all coated with the honey and the olive oil and the spices. Very nice. Okay, see how easy that is, guys? So we're going to put this in the oven and we're going to roast it for about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. And when we come back, we're going to have some delicious roasted sweet potatoes with cinnamon and honey. Okay, come on back. Okay, hi, welcome back everybody. So the sweet potatoes have been in the oven. They ended up being in the oven for about 40 minutes and they came out, they were nice and soft and tender, and there they are. Now this little light one here, that's Rafe's. That's for Rafe, okay? So, and he knows his name. So now it's time to taste, okay? All right, babe, cheers. Here we go. Good. You really get the sweet potato flavor.
Very much so. You got really good seasoning going on.
Potatoes are nice and tender. These will go well with just about anything you're making for your Thanksgiving table.
Absolutely.
Or your fall table. We're going to make veggie burgers tonight. And I think this is going to be our side dish. Some nice honey cinnamon sweet potatoes.
Nice, sweet, flavorful, healthy.
So now I did make some for Rafe. So Rafey, you come over here, honey. Come over here. Come over here, baby. Can you come up and take this?
No, get on camera. He's a camera hog.
He loves sweet potatoes, you guys. Definitely. So that's our episode for today. We made honey cinnamon sweet potatoes. I hope you give them a try. They're super easy.
Easy.
They taste great.
Flavorful.
You know, not super sweet.
No.
Just slightly. Not even all that spicy, really.
Not too spicy.
No. You can definitely add more
You can
cayenne
kick
if
it
you
up a
want to
notch
kick.
if you want.
And they smell terrific. So now my house smells really,
great.
really good. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for coming out and spending some time with us in my mom's recipe box. We love you. We hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. You know, share it with anybody who might be looking for a sweet potato recipe. And give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want our new content every single week on Wednesday. Okay? We love you. Take good care. Bye-bye.
Stay safe.
See ya.